In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can browse privately using Incognito Window on Google Chrome. Now, when you switch to private browsing, your details such as history and cookies will not be stored on your browser. However, it will be cleared each and every time you use this browser or you close and open the browser. The first thing you need to do is to open your Google Chrome browser. And once you are here, go to this ellipsis and then tap on it. And here you can see we have an option called New Incognito Window. So go ahead and tap on it. And this will open up a new window that can help us browse privately. Now, if you hover over here, you see now we have two windows. We have the public window and the private one. And now using this, you can make any browsing anonymously without fearing of your information being exposed. With this incognito mode, you have to note that your browsing history won't be saved on this browser, as well as cookies and site data and other information that you enter in forms. However, you have to note that information such as your IP address will not be hidden or will not be private. So for that, you may want to go ahead and use a third-party service such as a VPN to make sure that your IP address remains anonymous. Now with this window, you can now search anything just like you normally do with the other window. And if you search, you will find that you can just browse usually. However, this is in private window. And as you can see, you can know that you are browsing incognito by hovering over the right corner here. You can see the window is incognito or in private. Should you want to switch from this private window, just tap on incognito here and then close incognito. And this will take you back to public window. So that's how you can switch to incognito mode using your Google Chrome browser. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.